Hi everyone, welcome back to the Dream Cars, the place where every engine whisper is a promise of power, and every curve tells a story. Today, we dive into a machine that's more than just a car, it's a statement. Say hello to the 2026 MG Hector. At first glance, it's hard not to stare. The redesigned front fascia of the 2026 Hector looks bolder and more confident than ever. The signature Argyle-inspired grille, now wider and deeper, blends seamlessly with the new high-gloss black accents, giving the SUV a more upscale and aggressive road presence. Complementing it are the new sleek LED DRLs, slimmer, sharper, and meaner. But beauty without brains means nothing. And that's where the Hector shines. Step inside, and you're greeted by a world that's futuristic yet familiar. A massive 14-inch HD infotainment display dominates the center, it's your command center. It's smoother, faster, and smarter, thanks to MG's next-gen iSmart tech that learns your habits, responds to natural voice commands, and even syncs seamlessly with over-the-air updates. And yes, it now supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, because cables are so last decade. The interiors, a perfect blend of luxury and practicality. Dual-tone upholstery, brushed metal inserts, and ambient lighting give the cabin a modern lounge feel. MG has truly understood the Indian customer's desire for both flair and function. You'll find segment-leading legroom and headroom, a panoramic sunroof that opens up the skies, and ventilated seats that turn harsh summers into soothing drives. Powering the 2026 Hector is a refined 1.5L turbocharged petrol engine, punchy yet smooth, paired with a 6-speed manual or a CVT automatic transmission. For diesel lovers, the tried-and-tested 2.0L turbo diesel is still in the lineup, offering a balance of torque and economy. MG's tuning has improved, and gear shifts are now quicker, more intuitive, especially with the CVT, which feels significantly more responsive than before. But where the new Hector really ups the game is in safety. MG has loaded this SUV with advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS Level 2. We're talking about adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, and even intelligent headlamp control. In a market still catching up with these features, the Hector leaps ahead. And if that wasn't enough, there's a 360-degree camera, electronic stability program, 6 airbags, and a high-tensile steel frame that keeps you safe, no matter where you go. This is not just driving. This is driving with confidence. Even the boot space tells a story. With over 600 liters of cargo space, weekend getaways, shopping hauls, or long trips with family, the Hector says, bring it on. And for tech lovers, there's an intelligent tailgate that opens with a swipe of the foot. One of the unsung heroes of this SUV is its suspension tuning. MG has worked on ride quality, and it shows. City potholes, highway undulations, or rough rural paths, the Hector glides through most of it, offering comfort levels you'd expect from a much more expensive vehicle. Fuel efficiency remains solid, not best in class, but reliable and realistic. You're looking at around 13 to 14 km/L in the petrol CVT and closer to 17 km/L in the diesel variant, depending on how heavy your right foot is. And here's the kicker, all of this comes at a price that undercuts several of its rivals. The 2026 Hector doesn't just compete, it challenges. It dares. It offers more car for your money, more tech, more comfort, more boldness. MG isn't just selling a car anymore. They're selling a lifestyle, a connected, protected, and futuristic way of traveling that doesn't sacrifice style for substance. So, who is the 2026 MG Hector really for? It's for the dreamers, for the professionals who want a reliable companion for daily grind, for the families who love weekend escapes, for the young at heart who demand more features, more safety, more presence. This is not just a car. It's a dream, built on 4 wheels, sculpted with passion, and delivered with purpose. If you're thinking about what your next car should be, the 2026 MG Hector is not just a strong option, it might just be the option. Thanks for riding with us on the Dream Cars. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more automotive deep dives and reviews that get to the heart of every machine. Until next time, keep chasing your dream drive.